I managed to get a Nintendo Game Boy Micro. A pink one. I got this from eBay for £40, which, considering they're upwards of £90 to £100 working, I don't think £40 is too bad. Obviously this one doesn't work. Well, I say obviously, I haven't actually tested it yet. Assuming it's not going to turn on, and it does not. Let's see if it takes a charge. I'm going to also guess not. It did come with a charger. It's a USB one. I'm not sure it's a genuine one, but who cares? Let's see what it does. I get blue. Oh, we did get a blue light. Let's try that again. Yeah, the blue light comes on and goes straight off again, and it's drawing 0 amps. Let's see if that stays at 0, whether it goes up a little bit when we plug it in. It does go up and then drops back to 0. Okay, interesting. Or is it? Let's get the battery out and see if it's completely dead. Nice. Multimeter in, voltage, DC. I can never put this down. Wait, did it first time. Thanks, Dave. It's 4 volts. The battery's 4 volts. I was not expecting that. Right, so I think that battery's fine. Is it an original one? I don't know that, do I? But it says Nintendo on it. Okay, well, that's not the problem. So I'm going to have to take this apart. I've never owned one of these. I have no idea how to take it apart. But let's give it a good go. It's been a while since I bust some rhymes, but now I'm back and it's shout out time. Steve the Stove, the newest CD. Been here for years, free with TV. It's a GB Micro Sigma 4. Wanted one for ages. Web claw, could we genius and this one's pink? Lead Benz, at least it's distinct. It don't come on, Dr. Princess Wizard. Brian Mitchell, but I ain't deterred. Christopher Shaw, gotta get that win and get this fixed at McLaughlin. Now see the mouse kicks off the HSG. Will to our Jonathan Hard and get the money. Kid Pigs, Nate, Lucas, Super Annie. Charge Nut, Annie Banks, Ozzy B. Emma Westwood, Flugs, James and Danny. Frosty Cool Slug, Michael Biggie, Scott made a thing, Steve's the Panic, Sarah Cat, Kissax, John Bruchuk. Well, here we are with James Fryman, still not in the micro. Come on, man, is it really that hard to get into for an idiot like me? Yes, Larry W. But on we go without a care, cause we gotta keep on with this repair. Thanks to all who braved the rap. Let's get back to LPS, the Budgie chat. Peace. This is really annoying. I can't really get to the clasp there to undo these. How do you do that? Also, while I was taking it apart, I noticed that these buttons, I'm guessing they're supposed to be like coated in silver, but kind of worn out. Actually, I don't know what colour they're supposed to be, but they're very worn. Anyway, I don't want to rip any of these cables. There's like a couple of things there. Oh, okay. Well, that's good because I can clean that now. Nice. There we go. I think we're in. Kind of. I don't know where all these things are coming from, but I shall find a home for them. Now I can get to it. Okay, we're in. It looks very clean, doesn't it? There's a water damage thing there which hasn't gone off, which is always a good sign. Wow, it looks lovely. Alright, let's get this under the microscope, I think. One thing I didn't do was look at the charging pins, but they look absolutely fine. And the blue light was coming on, wasn't it? What is slightly concerning is there is a lot of flux in this area. Like, maybe someone has replaced this charging port? I don't know. Well, unless that's factory, but that is pretty manky. Let's have a quick look around the board while we're here. I mean, I did say it looked very clean, and it does, apart from the charging port area, which makes me think that maybe someone has been in here before.
That looks like it's very dangerously close to ripping, doesn't it? Yeah, we got it there as well, though. And is that's the audio jack. So maybe those ones are done by hand in the factory. The rest of it's done by machine. I don't know. Okay, well, I mean, it looks all right. I can't see anything. Nothing's jumping out at me. Let's flip it over. It's the other side of the charging port. Right, we do have fuses. We've got an F2 there, which by process of elimination means we should have an F1 somewhere. But I have no idea where. Everything looks good. Let's check that fuse. Multimeter in continuity. Fuse is good. Let's see if we can find F1. It's presumably near where the power comes in. F1. There we go. It's got a 7 on it. Let's check that. Ooh. Haha. F1 is not so good. But what's made that fuse blow? Because, I mean, maybe it's just blown on its own, I don't know. Or maybe it's something to do with this mess up here. And everything looks present and correct and nothing looks bad. I mean, there is something there, isn't there? There's solder there, but there's no component. C80, but I don't know whether there should be. There's also one there, and there. But if all of the unpopulated ones have got solder on, then I'm going to guess there shouldn't be something there. Is there anything else unpopulated? There we go. There's 2 there, and they've both got solder on. So I'm going to guess that there shouldn't be anything. I've lost it now. There. Or there. Or there. Or there. Okay. Right, well I don't know what 7 means for a fuse, but a fuse is just a 0 ohm resistor, right? Oh, I know. Nintendo Switch fuse. Would that work? Fuse is a fuse, right? Let's have a look in my Captain Bodge box. This is where I kept all of this Switch stuff. Charge port fuses. Nice. Oh, how many of these have I used? I appear to have used 4 of them, and I don't remember replacing 4 Nintendo Switch charging port fuses, but I must have done. Let's take one of those out and see if it's the same size, and if it is, I'm just going to go with it, because I can. There, 7. This one's 3. So it's only 4 out, so I'm going to say that that's okay. Get off. Get off. Yeah. Oh, where's it gone? It's okay, it's there. I can see it. Right, let's get this one off and let's put this one on. Use some Chip Quick SMD291NL. Not sure what the NL stands for. But this is a slightly different colour to the one that I was previously using, which wasn't NL. But I don't know what it means. And here's me foolishly thinking it would come off dead easy. It is slightly bigger, I think. This is one of those occasions where it looks like I've forgotten how to solder, and I think I possibly have. Well, I mean, that looks pretty good to me. Let's just check it on the old continuity. Yep, we're good. So that should be travelling down to wherever it travels to. There, yep, and through those wires to wherever else it wants to go. Nice. Right, now I'm going to do that foolish thing where I put it all back together to see if it works without testing it first, because I am stupid. This is where in the instruction manual it'd say, putting it back together is a reversal of taking it apart. The problem is, I don't know how I took it apart, I can't remember. I forgot to put the speaker in. Oh, this is so fiddly, it's really annoying. Everything just falls out. This is so annoying. Well, what's more annoying is I think I'm going to have a screw left over. I have no idea where it goes either. Right, I've done it. Let's see if it comes on. Do all the buttons still click? Yes, they do. Miraculous. Right, power. Ho 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 ho! Oh yeah! Right, let's find a game. Mario Power Tennis. £6. Void if removed. Okay. Oh no. It should say Nintendo there, shouldn't it? Oh, there we go. Thank God for that. Obviously just didn't put it in properly. That's not good. I mean, the backlight's on, but it made some awful noises. Maybe that's just the game. Let's try a different game. Because I don't know if I've ever even played that game. Donald Duck Advance. This one wasn't £6. I think this was in the job lot of ones that I fixed years ago. But I don't think that one was. If it was, it's faulty again. Or maybe it's this that's faulty, I don't know. Nintendo. Yay! Let's continue. I don't have a password. Can't continue. Start a new game then, I guess. Let's turn these lights off. Because this is backlit, isn't it? I mean, that looks great to my face. I imagine on the camera that looks awful. Does it look awful on that camera? Yeah. I think I'll put the lights back on. Right, what do I do? Oh, nobody can be bothered reading all this, can they? Right, finally. Oh, cool. It's kind of like Mickey Mouse Illusion, whatever, Castle of Illusion, but with Donald Duck. I don't know what I'm supposed to do, though. Where do I go from there? Well, the good news is all the buttons work. Stupid Donald Duck. I think I'm going to have to try and fix that in a video now, aren't I? Probably won't be that exciting.
was sad.